Hello again, and welcome back to Coder Kitty Decoded, where I break down the syntax and arguments for various LSL commands for those of you that find my method of instruction to be an easier way to learn. I had trouble getting this one to take last week. I am not 100% sure what went wrong with my recording, but I was going over how to get detail, which is basically how I had extracted the certain specific information from a target once I had it identified or had its key. So we're going to go ahead and pull that up here. That is LSL llGetObjectDetails. Derp, derp, derp. Alright, this particular one will produce a list. This is because you're able to get multiple pieces of information off of whatever your target is. You have to have a key in order to identify what it is you want the information about. So we're going to establish key who equals detected key 0. So this will be whoever clicks it. If you're using a scanner or some other method, then you would just use whatever that particular means of getting the key would use to get what you want. We're just going to take a couple of basic pieces of information. Object name. We're going to take object position. And we're going to take render weight. And then we're going to output them. Okay, pardon my cat here. She's wanting some lovin's when I'm trying to record. We're then going to start with the first one just to make this simplest. Say 0. Lily, I need to access my keyboard right now. I love you too, but I need onto my keyboard. List to string. I made one mistake here, didn't identify the list. Deets. So we're going to say list to string. Deets 0. This command is just a way you can extract specific information into a string format for use. So we're going to look at this real quick. Alright, the name is Rebecca Wendell, my actual SL login name. Position. Gives the coordinates of my position. And the third item in the list, 2 if you're going by computer type. $104,287 render weight. So that's just an example of how you use llGetObjectDetails. I used this last week's video on my tracers, so that just shows you how that worked. So that's it for this week. As usual, there will be new decoded videos every Wednesday by noon Eastern Standard Time, unless something goes particularly wrong. There are new Coder Kitties Workshop, where every lesson is a project and every project a lesson, every Tuesday by noon, unless something tremendously goes wrong. And playlist links will be in the description, as well as a link to my Discord server. If any of you would like to hop on there, it's a good place to ask questions and request specific tutorials. Hope to see you all there. As usual, good day, good luck, good week, happy coding.